Hello everyone, this is Umesh here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is day 3 of our 20-day English speaking challenge. First of all, a big thank you to everyone who is practicing with me every single day. Your consistency is amazing. Now let's start today's topic. Why learning why learning English is important. English is one of the most widely used language in the world. People from different countries use English as a common language to communicate. If you know English, you can connect with people from all over the world. You can share your ideas, learn from others, and grow your network. English is also very important for education and career growth. Most of best books, online courses, and learning platforms are available in English. If you understand English, you can learn new skills from anywhere, especially from the internet. In the in the corporate corporate world, English is used daily communication. For example, meeting, emails, presentations, any client discussions are often in English. Let me share a quick personal experience. When I was working on a project for a global client, I had strong technical skills, but during meeting I struggled to express my ideas clearly in English. My manager told me your technical skills are very good, but you need to improve your communication skills. That moment made me realize how important English is for career growth. From that day I started practicing daily. Even today I am still learning or I am practicing, and that's completely fine, but that's completely okay. Now let's talk about daily life. English also help support someone who travel to different places or countries. It becomes easier to ask questions or find direction and talk to new people. But many people are shy and or afraid to speak English. Let me tell something important. The only way to improve practice. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes from learning. Just speak every day. Even for 2 to 5 minutes, and reading, writing, or listening, and every day speak 2 to 5 minutes. That's it's okay, but needs consistency. Thank you. We'll connect tomorrow. Bye bye.